What is MERN Stack and why it is so popular? In this video we are going to have a look at this. Let's start right now. Number 1. The MERN Stack. MERN Stack is a popular web development technology stack that is used to build full-stack web applications. It is an acronym that stands for MongoDB, Express.js, React and Node.js. Many companies use the MERN Stack, especially those that require real-time updates and dynamic user interfaces. Some of those companies are LinkedIn, Airbnb, and Uber. Number 2. MongoDB. MongoDB is a popular open-source NoSQL document-oriented database that stores data in a flexible and scalable manner. It is designed to handle large amounts of data and high concurrency. Unlike traditional relational databases, MongoDB stores data in a JSON-like format called binary JSON, which allows for more flexible and dynamic data modeling. Number 3. Express.js. Express.js is a popular open-source web application framework for Node.js. It is designed to simplify the process of building web applications and APIs by providing a set of robust features and tools. Express.js is known for its simplicity, flexibility, and scalability. Number 4. React.js. React is a declarative, efficient, and flexible JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It lets you compose complex UIs from small and isolated pieces of code called components. React uses Virtual DOM to make real-time changes without need to refresh the page. Number 5. Node.js. Node.js is a powerful open-source cross-platform backend JavaScript runtime environment that enables developers to build high-performance, scalable network applications using JavaScript on the server side. Node.js is built on top of Google's V8 JavaScript engine, which is designed to execute JavaScript code faster and more efficiently. Number 6. Conclusion. MERN Stack is a powerful technology stack for building full-stack web applications. With MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js, developers can build efficient, scalable, and dynamic web applications quickly and easily. Thank you for watching this video. If you like such content, make sure you subscribe for more.